Hello once again, guys. Thank you for joining me on my channel Experience Africans. It's really happening, and I'm not the first, I'm not going to be the last. I've always heard people talk about reuse content. I have tried as much as possible to make commentaries, to make videos, and to try, even if I'm going to use someone's content, to try to have a way that I analyze that content. Somewhere along the line, I've had when I get copyright claims, when I post my videos, I normally post them on unlisted, just to check if I could actually get those copyright claims. And sometimes I get the copyright claims, I go ahead to re-edit the video until I make it safe for YouTube. It never crossed my mind. I lost monetization since last year, and not because of copyright though, because of my AdSense, and I had to go on and back and forth trying to get my AdSense in place so I could get monetized. Voila, I got monetized. So many people were excited for me, and then boom, channel started picking up. I started getting the views. I was just getting to my first threshold where I'm going to begin to earn money. I'm sure a lot of people are in that kind of condition, and they're going to get reviewed. If you currently have something that you reuse somebody's content on your platform and you're about getting close to your threshold, please go back and check your channel. Make sure that you either put it on unlisted or even get rid of it. It's not your content, it's not your content. Work hard and create your content and put it out there. Yes, you can reuse somebody's content, which is called reusable content, if the person does not give you permission, or even if they give you permission, you are supposed to make a kind of commentary on that video, or you make a kind of funny joke on the video. Just make sure that you're present within the video. A voiceover or something on that video could actually keep you safe, saying that you are analyzing or also using it for a kind of educational purpose as a fair use. It's not only having to do with content. Some of us use different kind of applications to generate voiceovers and other things. The system is picking a lot of things today. Don't be like me. If you really have something out there, you should go ahead and correct it. The good news is that when you get to this condition, it doesn't mean that you've lost your channel. All you need to do is keep trying to get the things that you know that are in the way for you to get your monetization out of your channel completely if you can. If you don't want to get them out, if you want to re-edit your work, you can put them on unlisted, download your videos and re-edit your work and put it up there. But don't think that it is not going to get you. Some people have gotten reusable content based on just copying and pasting YouTube description, video description for other people's channel, just post it on their channel, you get reusable content. Some for just downloading images and using them on their thumbnails. Some use thumbnails that are already on the thumbnail platform, they just copy it, some even with the image, and they get reusable content. This is just a piece of advice, it's not a long video. This video is not just trying to say I'm a teacher or anything, but I'm just going to tell you I'm a content creator and it's actually happening to me. I know how bad it feels when you lose monetization on your channel, and as long as it's possible to redeem yourself, please do it on time before you lose it. You might think it's not affecting you, but if you do have content that is not yours, please make sure you try to check it. Even if you have permission by the content creator, make sure that you make some form of commentary on that content before you post it on your video. Until I see you on the next one, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. We're still here. We ain't going nowhere. Thank you and God bless you. Ciao.